Here is LAPSE app, former journal by LAPSE. Before that, it was also LAPSE. So seems there are a lot of like brand changing here, but the core idea of the app is not changing. It's like, you know, disposable camera app. Turn your phone into a disposable camera. Snaps are a mystery until they develop at random later that day. Share your snaps to your friends' feed and see the week unfold. Your monthly photo dump is automatically created on your profile. Curate your favorite snaps into albums. LAPSE is for friends, not followers. So here's just open up the app and then, yeah, you can just see my room, whatever. Then you can just take a photo like that. It's like pretty cool. You can also enable this wide zoom, and then you can just, yeah, like take the photos like that, and then it adds like some nice click, which is pretty cool. You can enable flash in the right, and then zoom is also like available here. So there are 3 modes of zoom. Then also here you just have friends feed, where you can add friends, and then there are like people you may know from here. For some reason it's a bit buggy, but then yeah, you can just add friends just by, you know, just searching by username. Let's see if it's, yeah, it's still quite buggy. I don't know, because recently this app became actually quite popular. So just add some friends here. Then there is your journal, where you can add your selects. This is your profile, is your journal. Select your favorite snaps. But the whole idea is that, all right, so after I took the photos, then 3 snaps are already developed. I can just hold to view snaps, and then you can archive or share it. But these were my previous snaps, which I snapped some time ago. Then I also can add a note, or I can tag someone. Then I can also share it like that. And then that's basically the idea. And then 2 snaps are developing soon. Snaps developing. Snaps are a mystery until they develop. You will be notified when our snaps are ready. So also that's basically what it is here. And then you can just swipe down to close this. And yeah, so that's what you can see here. Then there are some featured journal by LAPSE photos, and it's pretty cool. It provides some pretty cool photos. It's quite nice. So that's basically what it is. Then add friends. Okay, let's try again. So you can okay, now it works. So you can just send friend requests like this, just for example. And that's another idea. You can also get featured. Submit snaps to team from memories, and then get notified if your snap is selected. Get a special tag on your journal. Then you can also see yeah, like messages. And then here is your profile, and then on your profile you will just see your photos. And then you can edit your details. You can block or report. Then you can see your username. You can see your emojis, account. If you wanna, you can delete account in the very bottom, as you can see. So yeah, phone number feature coming soon. LAPSE is still in early access. We are working hard building all these features for you, so you can't add a phone number. But as you can see, there are almost like I guess more than 600,000 users. If I see my member number, it's good. I reserved some nice username here. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And then dear friends, you can also add friends from here. So that's what it is. I don't know if you need an invite for this app. Here it is, like LAPSE disposable camera. Um, there are quite a few ratings. You can search them. Some people like most annoying app. So annoying how you have to first add 3 people, and the people it suggests are people. So then after you have to invite 5 people from your contacts. Some people are obsessed with it. The opening sequence is guilty trippy, complicated. However, the app a little confusing to understand. It has enormous amount of buttons and options that make it hard to navigate through. Couldn't always use it. So it tries to force you to share your contacts or you can't use it. So won't let back you log in. Why do you have to invite 5 people before even getting to see what the app is about? So for me, maybe I signed up before or something, and I didn't need like to, or maybe because this app was redesigned many times. It was called LAPSE or Journal by LAPSE and LAPSE again. There are like different branding design changes, so I don't know what's happening. Maybe they're also changing their onboarding kind of way. But some people who made it through onboarding, as you can see, it's quite fun, and the camera is quite good, especially on the iPhone 14 Pro. The filter is, it's like normally disposable. I would say it's not too vintage, and it's not like a normal camera, so it's just seems natural. And there were a bunch of apps in this category. There was like famous Dispo app, some other apps. But yeah, that's basically what it is. And this just says this is just a Be Real with a filter. So some people like it, some people don't. But this is just my 5 cents on this app. And currently it's quite high in the charts. I don't know, maybe it's just going viral on TikTok or something. So that's that. Hope it is helpful.